Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi, this is Smita and welcome to Get Curried. A rose syrup mixed with plain water or in your milkshake is very cooling in the summers. Let's learn how to make the rose syrup. Here I have soaked a cup of tightly packed rose dried petals. They look like this. So I have soaked this overnight in 3 cups of water. I'm going to transfer it into a vessel. And to this I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. And boil this on a medium flame till all the sugar is dissolved. The sugar has melted. Now let's increase the flame and boil it till it thickens to a one thread consistency. We have cooked this for almost 40 minutes and see how much it has reduced, and I'm also getting a one thread consistency here. Can you see this? Let's strain this. See what a beautiful maroon red color has come. I usually don't throw away these leftover petals. I grind it to a little thickish paste and then I make a lovely toast and smother it with butter and a thick layer of these rose petals which is sweetened, and have it for my breakfast. I'm going to store this in a glass container. See what a beautiful red color. And once it cools down, you can store it in the refrigerator and use according to your convenience. This rose syrup is ready to be used. You can add it to your faludas, milkshakes, or to your ice cream. So this summer, enjoy a preservative and color-free rose syrup. For such interesting recipes, keep watching Get Curried.